Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gav, where I talk about personal finance and investing. Before we proceed, just a full disclosure, I'm not a professional. I create these videos for educational and informational purposes only. So if you have personal finance and investing requirements, I suggest that you go seek a professional so they can help you out. With that being said, today is the last day of year 2020. Today is the 31st of December, New Year's Eve. And for those who are watching this in other parts of the world, and if it's year 2021 already, Happy New Year. We're just right behind you here in the United States. So I can't wait for year 2021. But before we talk about the things that coming up for year 2021 and the updates that I'm going to be talking about in this video, I just want to let you guys know that if you have lost someone, or if you know someone, a family or relative that has passed away due to the illness, that my heart goes out to all of you guys, because I have relatives as well that has been affected by it, and it's not good. So second, M1 update. So from my last videos, I give you guys an update stating that I have broke the $25,000 goal for year 2020. Well, today is December, and today is my last update for the year of 2020, and actually went over 25k, as you all know, and I'm up. My M1 portfolio now is sitting at 28,112 and 61 cents. I'm up 89%. Actually, to be exact, it's 89.04%. And my total M1 portfolio account is now sitting at 28,112 and 61 cents. So main catalyst today is my go-to stock, which is Tesla, and it rallied up to the all-time high of 718 and 72 cents. And I attribute the strong rally with the Dow and the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 closed at on the green side. So for Dow, we closed at 196.92 cents or points. That was 0.65%, and for Nasdaq it's 18.28 points. That's 0.14%, and for S&P 500 we closed at plus 24 and 3 points, and that's 0.64%. So excuse me, for the entire day we were going up and down, but we rallied up and closed out the year on the green side. Oh, I'm happy because every indices is green. So with that being said, I'm gonna go start cooking because it's New Year's Eve, and start the party here in my apartment. With that being said, if you have any questions, comment down below, and if you have not subscribed yet, I don't care if you subscribe or not. My mission is to help you guys out, and especially the new investors out there, and chronicle and archive my investing experience. So maybe one day someone runs into this video and help you guys out and push you guys to accomplishing your goals. Again, if you have any questions, comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel or not. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Happy New Year's Eve, and for tomorrow, Happy New Year. Bye.